for the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, "No more riding on this shaky bus." One little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and wrecked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "Fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus." Clap, clap, clap! They fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay! All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud, "Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight." Hey, ABC, come and see. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Baby sea, shout it loud. Learning time, we're so proud. A is for apple, floating high in a bubble up in the sky. Baby shark says, "I can reach." Pop, he grabs it with a leap. Wow, wow. What a start. Learning letters with a heart. Bubble pop and ABC. Join the fun in ocean sea. B is for ball, bouncing round. Bubbles lifted off the ground. Baby shark jumps, got it now. Feeling it bounces on his brow. Baby bee, bounce so high. In the bubbles up we fly. ABC is fun, you see. Baby shark is learning free. C is for cake, oh so sweet. Floating slowly near his feet. Baby shark says, "Yummy treat." But it spins, oh what a beat. See, cake in air. Bubble magic everywhere. Learning letters, what a thrill. ABC fun gives us skill. All the letters start to fly. D to Z in bubbly sky. E is dolphin, E is egg. F is fish doing funny leg. Baby shark is dancing fast. ABC fun is here at last. V to Z, come with me. Bubbly letters in the sea. Jump and learn and sing along. ABC is our happy song. Suddenly, bubbles go boom pop. Letters spin and never stop. Baby shark says, "Wait for me. I can't catch whole ABC." Mommy laughs, "Just try again." Learning letters is so fun. ABC, don't be late. Bubble world is really great. Learn and laugh and play all day. Baby shark will show the way. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Clap your fins and sing with me. ABC adventure lippy. Beep beep, what's that sound? Dr. Shark is coming around. Sniff sniff, cough cough, oh no. Ocean friends are feeling low. Baby shark puts Dr. Cap. Let me check you, tap tap tap. Fish is sneezing, ashoo. Dr. Shark, I need you. Check check, what's the plan? Dr. Shark is helping fans. Stethoscope, listen slow. Don't worry, you will glow. Jellyfish says, I feel weird. All my glow has disappeared. Baby shark gives bubble tea. Drink this now and feel free. Sip, sip, feel alright. Medicine makes everything bright. Ocean hospital on the wave. Dr. Shark is kind and brave. Crab comes running super fast.
Don't worry.
My shell is cracked. It didn't last. Dr. Shark says hold on tight. Wraps it up just right, just right. Fix, fix, patch it up. Healing magic in a cup. Clap, clap, feeling new. Dr. Shark is here for you. Octopus says I'm so confused. All my arms are feeling loose.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
Baby shark counts 1, 2, 3. Tidy arms, now you're free. Twist, twist, all okay. Doctor saves the ocean day. Giggle, giggle, funny sight. Everything is feeling right. Suddenly big whale goes boom. Too much sneeze inside the room. Baby shark runs super quick. Time for my big doctor trick. Gives cool sea bubble spray. Will says I feel okay. Crisis done. Dr. Shark save everyone. Clap your fins and cheer out loud. Healthy ocean, happy crowd. Beep beep, Dr. Fun. Baby shark has saved the sun. Sing along and don't be shy. Healthy ocean, bye, bye, bye.
We feel great now. Hooray!
Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feels so right. 5 little kids got on the bus. Laughing, jumping, making fuss. One stood up to wave goodbye. Oops, he bumped his head so high. No more standing on the bus. Sit down safely, join with us. 4 little kids riding away, talking loudly, wanting to play. One was running down the seat. Driver said that's not so neat. No more running on the bus. Sit and smile, don't make fuss. 3 little kids singing a song, but one was bouncing all too strong. He slipped and slid, oh no, oh dear, who's that? Baby shark said sit right here. No more bouncing on the bus. Ride it safe, no rush, no fuss. Put it! 2 little kids looking around. One dropped toys onto the ground. Baby shark said pick them slow. Safety rules you must know. No more dropping on the bus. Keep it clean and safe with us. One little kid all alone forgot the rules he should have known. Baby shark came with a smile. Let's sit safely for a while. Now all kids are sitting tight, smiling, happy, feeling right. No more chaos, no more fuss. Safe, safe riding on the bus. No more chaos, clap, clap, clap. Sit and ride, tap, tap, tap. Baby shark says be safe with me. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. Happy bus ride 1, 2, 3. Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying high. Up, up, Fun